Hello traders, how is it going? What a ride today, right? So let us look at what happened in the markets. We had this kind of some setups that were possible in the morning. So we said that if we break down the 40 area, we may come down to 27. If we break that down, we may go further down, right? The other idea was if the 40 area holds, because at 38.5 on the ETA chart, we did have a double top breakout, and I considered that as a very good support. I had the idea that we will get up to the 50 mark today. If the 50 breaks, then we had the measured move around the 60 area. And then finally, it just broke out, right? The market broke out like crazy today. So let us take a look how we traded the chart today. Let me bring in the EMA at this point here. So we were pretty far away from the 20 EMA, right? So I was under no intention to take any trades at this point of time till I saw something happening. So I was waiting for bar 1 and bar 2 to happen, right? Because we were right on the top of the trading range and we did not know whether we are going to break out or what is going to happen, right? However, when I saw that it was bouncing from the 40.5 line, I actually took a long above bar 3 and then I targeted if we could get to the 50 area. And we actually came to the 50 area. I took some profit here. I did not take any of the short trades. And I was watching what the price does in this body gap, right? So this body gap was present. Actually, the body gap got reduced to this much at this point of time when we had the wicks. So I was looking for a closure below the body gaps, closure below bar number 1. None of that happened, right? And as soon as we started going up from here, this I considered to be the first entry long. So bar 20 was the first entry long. Bar 22, I considered that, okay, it went above 46. The 45.25 was the midpoint of the day at this point of time. I bought above this. And then my first target was this double top area that we had at 50.25. I took some profit here. I held on to it and I wanted to see if it goes to the 60 area. And I finally came out of that trade at 60. And if you see, we had a triple bottom that got created here at this point of time. So I was thinking that if it may come down below the triple bottom and then start going up again, but then it started moving from here itself. So after this was again my first entry long. This was the second entry long. We did not have any bear gaps created. And so I took this trade again and I was thinking that it will go to 60. We got to 60 and then I was actually doing a measured move of this area. And my next target was 64.75. I came out at 64.75 again. So that was one trade. However, if you see that after this pullback happened, this was a two-legged pullback that happened, right? From the 70 level, this was a two-legged pullback. And right after that, we had body gap created. So after the two-legged pullback, we had this body gap created. Price retested this body gap. I was still not sure what was happening. I did not want to enter any trade at this point of time just because we were so high and pretty far away from the EMA. However, when the price came down here, if you see, we did another two-legged pullback and we came back to the body gap area. The 20 EMA was right there. So I bought above bar number 60. And then my target was around the 84 line and I finally came out at the 84 area. So these were the 3-4 trades that we took today. It was a wonderful day. All we had to do was to count the legs on the downside. And there is one more thing that I wanted to show you guys. There is something called Ripster EMA cloud, right? It's just an EMA cloud. So I just take the 8 and 13 of it. So whenever it is a small pullback bull trend like it happened today, most of the time, even if it closes below the cloud, it goes above the cloud immediately, right? So this is nothing but the 8 EMA and the 13 EMA here, one faster, one slower. And based on the EMA cloud, based on the support resistance, the breakout areas and the body gaps, the trades turned out to be really good today. The only thing was I was confident that if 38.5 does not break down, we will keep going up. I did not know whether it will be a trading range. So I took it level by level based on the measured moves that we have. Now that we are here at the 5690 level, if you remember 5700 107 is the target that we have on the monthly chart. So I think we are going there. Even if we come down tomorrow, we will look at what are the possibilities for tomorrow in the video that I'll post in the evening. But even if we come down, I do not think that the CPI is going to be bearish, but the market may want to take profit. You never know. Based on the CPI data, they may still want to keep pushing. So we will have to see tomorrow morning again where the market is starting, how the market is behaving based on the analysis that we will do today evening. So that is all I have for now. As always, please like, share and comment on the video, subscribe to the channel and click on the notification icon, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.